Today on Pinbusters, we're doing watercolor marble nail art. I got an email from Claudette out in Missoula, Montana, who'd like us to do watercolor marble nail art. Try to say that 3 times. Watercolor, well, I can't even do it once. So all you need is different color nail polishes and a stick, or what I did was cut a Q-tip in half because I don't have sticks. And you're gonna start with a base color. I chose navy blue, like so. And then you're gonna take your different color nail polishes and use a sandwich bag and dip little drops on the sandwich bag, because the sandwich bag is going to be your canvas. I chose 4 colors, 2 dark and 2 light. Kind of mix it up a little. Go. And using my cut Q-tip, I'm just gonna kind of create some swirls in there. And then with your nail, you're gonna take the paper plastic bag and put your nail right over it. Ooh. Like so. And now you can use your sponge and kind of get some of this excess off. Well, I think it looks pretty cool, as long as you remember not to press too hard on the sandwich bags so that it ruins your creation there. It looks pretty cool. It's no Van Gogh, but hey, I mean, it's different and it's fun. And you can play with lots of different colors. So I'm gonna say pin trusted. Yay! And that's all we have for Pinbusters today. If you guys have pins at home you'd like us to try, email us at bust@pinbusterstv.com or leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Marbled